Snickers. This bar was introduced by Mars in 1930 and named after a favorite family horse, eventually becoming the best-selling candy bar in the world. It is built on a foundation of nougat topped with caramel and roasted peanuts, all encased in milk chocolate. The combination is designed to be substantial, often marketed as a way to satisfy hunger between meals. Because of its massive global reach, it serves as the benchmark for the modern standard candy bar profile.
KitKat, produced globally by Nestle, but by Hershey in the United States. This treat consists of 3 layers of cream-filled wafers covered in an outer layer of chocolate. Its signature feature is the snap of the individual fingers, which are designed to be broken off and shared, or eaten one at a time. While the classic milk chocolate version is the most recognized, the bar has gained a unique cult following for the hundreds of experimental flavors released in the Japanese market. Twix. This bar is easily identified by its twin stick format, providing 2 identical narrow biscuits in a single wrapper. Each stick features a crunchy shortbread cookie base topped with a thick layer of flowing caramel and coated in milk chocolate. It first appeared in the United Kingdom in the late 1960s, before making its way to North America a decade later. The textural contrast between the brittle cookie and the soft caramel is the primary reason for its enduring popularity. Milky Way. Created in 1923, this was the first bar to feature a malted milk nougat center, a flavor inspired by the popular malted milkshakes of that era. Unlike many of its competitors, it does not contain nuts, focusing instead on a smooth blend of chocolate-flavored nougat and caramel. It is interesting to note that the version sold in the United States is essentially the same as the Mars bar sold in Europe, while the European Milky Way is a lighter, fluffier version without the caramel layer. Butterfinger. This candy stands out due to its distinctively flaky, orange-colored core that has a crisp peanut butter texture. It was developed in Chicago during the 1920s and utilizes a unique manufacturing process where a peanut butter paste is folded into a sugar candy base to create dozens of thin layers. The result is a bar that crumbles easily when bitten, providing a sharp contrast to the thin coating of chocolate on the outside. Reese's Fast Break. This represents a modern evolution of the classic peanut butter cup, reimagined into a traditional bar format to be eaten on the go. It features a thick layer of Reese's signature salty sweet peanut butter, topped with a layer of chewy nougat and wrapped in milk chocolate. By adding the nougat, the bar gains a structural chewiness that the standard cups lack, bridging the gap between a peanut butter treat and a standard candy bar. Hershey's Milk Chocolate. Often called the Great American Chocolate Bar, this is the simplest entry on the list, consisting of solid milk chocolate divided into rectangular pips. Milton Hershey pioneered the mass production of milk chocolate in the early 1900s, using a specific process for condensing milk that gives the bar its iconic, slightly tangy flavor profile. It remains a staple of American culture, particularly as the essential ingredient for making s'mores over a campfire. 3 Musketeers. This bar is defined by its light and airy center, which is made of whipped chocolate nougat that has a texture similar to a firm marshmallow. When it was launched in 1932, the package actually contained 3 separate pieces flavored with vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, which is how it earned its name. During World War II, the vanilla and strawberry pieces were removed due to rising costs and sugar rations, leaving the all-chocolate version that remains the standard today. Baby Ruth. Despite the common assumption that it was named after the famous baseball player, the manufacturer claimed it was named after President Grover Cleveland's daughter, Ruth. This bar is densely packed with peanuts that are rolled into a center of caramel and chocolate-flavored nougat. It is known for its irregular, lumpy appearance and its heavy weight, making it one of the most filling options found in the candy aisle. Almond Joy. This bar is a tropical variation in the confectionery world, featuring a center made of sweetened, shredded coconut. Each bar is topped with 2 whole toasted almonds and then dipped in a layer of milk chocolate. It was originally created as a sister product to the Mounds bar, which uses dark chocolate and excludes the nuts, providing a specific option for those who prefer a crunchier, creamier coconut experience.
If you enjoyed learning about these classic candy bars, make sure to hit the like button. Let us know in the comments which one of these treats is your all-time favorite. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another deep dive into your favorite foods. We have plenty of other explainer videos coming soon that you won't want to miss. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.